So we are here at our third rental property, and this is by far going to be the biggest job that we've taken on as far as our investments are concerned. There's just a lot of work that needs to be done here. We've been pretty fortunate on our last rental properties where it just needed a little bit of work, and some investors call that just putting lipstick on a pig, and I've never really liked putting cheap stuff into a property just to get it on the market and sell it or find a tenant. A lot of my friends that are investors have advised me to take that route, and that's not the direction I want to go on this one.
Opened up the property quite a bit.
My job's done here. So there's no doubt that this property needs a lot of work. So how did we prioritize what projects to put first? Now, my first priority was this outdoor space. I know that when I am going to attract tenants, I want people that have dogs. I want people that want to appreciate the outside space. So this property has a fantastic lot. So we're fencing it in, we're removing some trees, and we are painting the property to just make it really pop and something that someone would be proud to call home. So priority number 2 was redoing the floors. So knowing that we are more than likely going to allow a tenant to live here that has animals, probably dogs, we wanted to put something down on the floors that could withstand that kind of wear and tear. So we are choosing to do LVT throughout the entire home, and that's luxury vinyl tile. So why are we putting more money into this investment? I'm glad you asked. Now let's talk about that right now. I want to put higher end products into this property with better materials because 1, they're going to last longer, and 2, it's going to allow us to attract tenants that want a better living experience, meaning they're willing to pay a little bit more for a property that is just a little bit nicer. I really want to replace these blinds. The faux wood 2.5-inch slats with no cords. It's like a really clean look. Redoing the whole shower. So we're gonna do demo over the weekend. The 24-inch vanity. Oh yeah, we can go way bigger. I'm kind of debating on what we want to do about that tile. A lot of times I can order, like pre-order stuff. What I'll do is I'll go on Lowe's, and because they have military discount. Big shout out to Lowe's for offering that. And they also have military parking, which I'm a huge fan of. Unlike their competitor, which I won't even mention the name, you know who I'm talking about. But Lowe's, I'll go online and I can order a lot of the stuff. I can order the fans, I can order the lights, I can order all the blinds I need. Actually, shit, I need to get those blinds from because I hate the equivalent blinds that Lowe's offers. They're garbage, they're trash. So this one might be an experiment, right? We want to go in a direction that a lot of investors would not go. I'm putting a little bit more money into this property than most investors would, but I think it'll pay off in the long run. So if you're curious about investments and rental properties, we will be posting a few updates as we move along in this process. So make sure to subscribe to this channel.